So we are going to give Hawkeye his first marshmallow.
Since he brought me the bag earlier.
And yes, I have square marshmallows. They're for graham crack s'mores. Put them on s'mores. Make s'mores out of them. God, words. All right, so he really wants this marshmallow. There you go. I thought it would be much more dramatic. What do you think, Hawkeye? No? Yes?
Who wants another?
How about instead we give you something much better? Oh. Yeah. Half gallon of ranch. Ranch, bro. You guys want to do some ranch with me? Only got a gallon of it. Alright, we got the chunky. Oh no, this is creamy. Creamy peanut butter. Yeah, I know. Big old glob of this. Alright, Hawkeye. Oh, Jesus, God. Alright, buddy. There you go. What do you think, man? He's never had this much peanut butter before either.
Showing me? You need some water?
What do you think, buddy? Oh yeah, it's all over the roof of his mouth. I could see it in there. Oh, you want to finish the spoon off, huh?
Don't eat it.
He's got this thing. He doesn't quite understand what a spoon is yet. Or a fork. So he tries to eat the whole utensil. Is this some of that ASMR stuff? Get to listen to a dog licking a spoon. I don't know. They're doing it on Twitch. Everybody's licking ears or something. It's real disgusting. Twitch has turned into a depraved ear licking, disgusting sight.
All right, good boy.
What do you think, man?
He's had his snack tonight.
Hawkeye. Still licking.
Got it on your nose. Show people our ugly kitchen.
Yeah, look at our ugly floor.
I'll let the other ones in.
Good, buddy?
They're gonna know.
Oh, I know they're gonna know. Timber. What do you think? You want some peanut butter, Timber? Let's give Timber some peanut butter. See if we can keep it away from Hawkeye.
Same spoon.
I did not use the same spoon. All right, there you go, Timber. Here, you want to give Toby some?
Is it nice? Little baby.
Toby, you're weird, man. Look at those eyes. Get it all over his face.
Just trying to get him on his nose.
Hawkeye's still over there licking.
Shouldn't give him cat peanut butter.
I know, he'd probably eat it too. Freaking weird cat. All right, so all the puppies are happy. We're happy. Everybody's happy.